Hi guys, so try natin sagutan tong problem na to. So find the value of P and F so that the four forces shown in the figure produce an upward resultant of 300 pounds acting at 4 feet from the left end of the bar. So saan yung left side natin is, which is yung ito. So distance from the left. So ito yung resultant natin. So dito nag-act yung resultant natin. So ito ay 4 feet. So ito is equal sa 300 pounds. So dito, ang inahanap natin dito is yung P at F. So, masasolve natin tong problem na to using the equilibrium equation. So, ano lang yung kailangan natin, which is yung summation moment tsaka summation forces vertical. Kasi lahat ng nag-a-act dito na load is vertical. So, first is mag-moment ako dito sa P para yung ano natin is isa lang, which is yung F natin. So, bali, mag-moment ako sa P sa lahat ng clockwise is positive. So, start tayo sa resultant. So, resultant papuntang P. So, may distance itong 2 feet. So, bali, counterclockwise. So, negative 300 times 2 feet is equal sa lahat ng load na nag-act dito sa beam natin. So, first is yung 100 pounds. So, papuntang P. So, ito ay counterclockwise. So, negative times 2. Then, yung F natin, papuntang P. So, clockwise. Positive F times 3. Yung 200 pounds natin, papuntang P. So, ay counterclockwise. So, negative 200 times yung moment arm niya, which is 2 plus 3 is 5. So, calculate natin. So, makakuha tayo ng F is equals to 200 pounds. So, ito na yung unang hinahanap natin. So, yung pangalawa, so, proceed tayo sa summation forces vertical. Summation forces vertical is equals to 0. So, upward, positive. So, negative. So, resultant is equal sa negative 100 plus P minus F plus 200. Substitute natin. So, bali ito ay 300. F natin is 200. Yan. So, calculate natin. Yung P natin is equal sa 400 pounds. Ito na yung pangalawang hinahanap natin.